I'm Professor Suzanne Lowry Mims, and I teach in the Communication Department and I teach public relations courses. What is PR? Well, PR today is not your grandmother's PR because social media has changed the way PR has been practiced for the last 100 years. And if you choose to concentrate in PR, you are opening up your pathways because every organization, any organization, always needs professional communicators, whether it's for a brand or for a corporation or for government or for a nonprofit. Every one of those organizations needs someone who can get the message out. The PR concentration in Mason Com allows you to really get some hands-on experience, which is going to be really great when you sit down to have an interview for an internship or for a job. If you concentrate in public relations within the comm department, you're going to connect with an entire network of students who have been in the same classroom that you're in right now, but they are working professionals. We are fortunate that so many of our graduates are working in professional communication right here in the DMV. So right now I could take you to Edelman, Ketchum, Hill and Knowlton, just to name a few of the large agencies in the world, and our students are working right there. If you choose to concentrate in public relations, the world is your oyster.